Hey guys, woke up this morning, went to the kitchen, thought man, can do chongdoja, kiwando namhlanje. And sit bread bin, kosonka. Ibo, guys, ngabi kosonka chani nalento. Ngabi kondo nqonda. One can chonge. How much do I have to go buy bread? Hey, konde nansi tiger pa. Ngabi tiger. As a coins nyana, then went out. Walking, yeah, when you shop at a robot shop, guys, up. Walking, going to a robot shop, got it in. It's a sunny day, don't even, have anything to do. Anyways, yeah, the birds are chirping out here, walking to the shop.
Only in Cape Town will you see such cock holding back the year, thinking of the fear I've had so long.
Hey,